We finally gonna do something with this?
Yeah. Going back to the doctor.
It needs a. I think it needs a coroner. That's the blown up 604. We're gonna finally send it back up to the race tech up there and see what's salvageable and what's not from it, and get the ball rolling. Figure out what we're gonna do next.
Reserve any parts out of that thing that aren't any good?
Let us know.
Yeah, we'll start.
Because there's probably a lot of them.
Yeah. I think we can sell a busted piston for $6,000-7,000 probably a piece. Yeah.
Joseph will sign it for you. Yeah. That was a joke, but we are the plan with this thing. This is one that we blew up at Alltech, but the plan with it is to see what's salvageable off of it, and we had a lot of people wanting to buy like a piston out of it or whatever. We'll see what's whatever's not any good as far as running racing goes. We'll let y'all know. But right now we gotta get it up there and see what's salvageable off of it and get us a game plan for next season as far as the 604 crate goes. The reason we bring that up is because we're gonna kill two birds with one stone. This engine, this is our super late model SB2 that we got there after we hurt the dream at Eldora that Langenfelder brought on here and helped us out and made sure we had an engine to go race with. This is it, and we are pulling it out because the plan is to send it back to Race Tech and have it fresh going into next season. So
it's already got 500 laps.
Yeah. Well, we bought it used. It didn't have very many laps on it off its last rebuild, but we put close to 500 laps on it. So it's not. I don't think it's where it needs to become apart, or it's not lapped out yet. But at the same time, we don't want to have to stop in the middle of the season next year, pull it out, and get it freshened. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done, and that means we can load up both these engines. Get this one out, load that one up, and they can both go up to Race Tech. Kill, like I said,
two birds stoned at once.
Yeah, that exactly what I said.
Granddad, you're starting boo-boo.
Joseph and them been pulling up our pressure washer.
I'm gonna start, slowly.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's get this thing out. You gonna do it naked? we prefer you to keep your shirt on.
No, I'm just chucking some sleeves here.
Yeah, it's 65 and sunny in Florida. Jordan's fixing to fire up the pressure washer to wash some more tires. Before it gets loud, want to remind y'all about the big race coming up at the Dome, the Gateway Dirt Nationals this weekend, that you can be watching live on Flow Racing. 3 nights of action-packed racing from the Dome. A lot of super late models going to be up there. I can't wait to watch it. We're not going to get to go, but I am going to be watching on Flow. And you can be watching on Flow too. It's flowracing.com/huntthefront to get signed up if you hadn't already. Flow had over 1,300 live streamed races in 2021, and they're going to have even more next year in 2022. Got, like I said, the Dome coming up this week. Then you got the Chili Bowl coming up in January. You don't want to miss it. Get signed up now. flowracing.com/huntthefront.
I got one more.
Oh, we finally getting the header off here.
Well,
who's your pick to win at the Dome, Jesse?
Ooh, dude, that's a.
I got Pierce.
Think Bobby's gonna do it?
Well, yeah, I do.
Well,
he's hot right now and he does well up there.
Hi, dude. I don't know. Brandon Shepard.
I don't.
He almost won
he's
in 2019.
15, ain't he?
He almost won in 2019.
There you go. Shepard is Jesse's pick. Pierce is mine. We'll find out what Joseph thinks shortly.
Do you think Carpenter gets it done?
He might. I don't know. It'd be interesting to see. Hey, who's your pick to win the Dome?
I don't know who's going.
Never mind. It's like 120 of them or something. Yeah.
Probably that one old boy. He runs good there.
That one old boy?
Yeah.
That runs well up there?
Who'd y'all pick?
I got Pierce.
Shepard.
Jesse's got Shepard. The obvious. Well, not necessarily the obvious one.
I mean, maybe.
Unzicker?
Unzicker was fast.
Bab.
Who's good when it's rough? And like
Pierce.
Yeah. Since y'all got Shepard, Pierce.
Well, I had Pierce. You got Shepard. Davenport. All right, there you go.
Davenport be there?
Yeah, he's supposed to be there.
Time to check.
There y'all go. Who y'all think's gonna win at the Dome? Let us know. There's our picks. All right, header coming off.
Hey, we gotta have some haters. Yep. Well, that gasket's still good.
Yeah,
We'll use that next year.
Yeah, save it.
The header look good.
Y'all shoot some ether to it.
Didn't have none.
Are we out of ether?
I couldn't find it.
What?
The brake clean work just as good?
I don't know. That's how that works. Maybe carburetor choke cleaner. Man, we ain't even had this thing a month. We ain't even had this thing a month. Y'all done tore it up.
Holding the. Let off the trigger and pull it one time, see what it does. And then
Then grab it.
Fires up, crank it.
When it fires up, pull the trigger. If it fires up. Okay, now we know. That's how you do that. Now that it's good and loud in here, let's do a time lapse. I think, well, we need to go ahead and pull our flywheel off of there.
Flywheel.
Fan.
Motor mounts.
Yeah, motor mounts definitely. But anyway, there it is. Leave the distributor in it.
5/8.
Pump and pull. Yeah, 5/8. Pump and pulleys. Stay on it.
What is the... Why
The longevity.
Really?
They roll out of the motor.
They just don't last?
Yep. Heat. Everything. You got the oil cycle all out of there. It's longevity.
There you go. We just learned the value of a dry sump oil system.
Hopefully you're right.
Longevity.
Everyone just heard it.
Anyway, this is our SB2 440. How many races we run? What we run?
Ooh.
The 3 Lucas Sonoy with the World Outlaws, 3 Lucas Oil races at Dixie Rome, and well, that 411 wasn't Lucas Oil, that was Castrol. Phoenix City, Sonoya Southern. And that was 2 races at Sonoy. So that's at least 8. 2 races at Southern. That's 9 I just counted that we put on this engine. So it's not completely lapped out, but never hurts to go into the season with a fresh engine. So that's the plan we get.
So fresh and so clean.
That's the plan. We also, right now, our Dream, what we started the season out with in this car, is also at Race Tech. It'll be fresh and good to go as well. So hopefully, for sure, we'll have 2 super late model engines going into next season, fresh and ready. And show them what we discovered here.
It's gnawed off.
Yeah.
Need another one.
Wasn't there another end too?
Yeah.
Yeah, our fan was either we hit, but that doesn't make any sense because we'd have been all 4. Yeah, I think our fan was coming apart there, y'all. I don't know what y'all think. If it was hitting, we'd be missing over here.
Run hot.
Yeah, that's when I got warm on. His fan was coming apart. Anyway, if we need a new fan, put that on the list.
That list is getting long.
You ought to see the list I got made for that car over there.
Yeah, those 2 cars are a whole nother story. Hey!
I ain't got nothing. I ain't got no list for your car.
Yeah, Jesse, you gotta get on that.
Oh, that's fine.
Did you see all the
I
comments?
think it's fine.
Yeah, except it's got the wrong motor in it.
Well, does it?
I don't know. Did you read all the comments?
I read them.
I think everyone's expecting you to make the jump up.
Hey,
Hey.
let's see why not. I think here's my thought. I just think that with that move, I think just goals and expectations just change a little bit.
Okay.
I mean, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, we expect you to win more than one big
right
check.
now the expectations out of me to go run 602 is if you don't win, you suck.
Basically.
Right, Joseph? That's his anyway.
Well, he has that anytime he races.
Okay.
602, 604,
So
super.
I think going into 604, it's like, there's going to be the competition. Everybody thinks Josie can handle 604. It's not so much the equipment. I mean, it's not that much dang different. It's the
50
competition
horsepower.
that you're racing, not the
Right.
equipment.
And that's not a knock on the 602 guys. It's just that division was meant to be more of a beginner level division as far
Right.
as late model goes. You got in 604s, everywhere you go, you got people like Bo, Joseph, you know, that
Whitener.
level. Yeah, racing 604. So.
Bronson, Jimmy Owens.
Yeah, there you go. You can go beat them all.
I don't know about that, but that's what I'm saying is the expectations change in goals.
So you're already trying to temper everybody's expectations.
Well,
Is that
I
what
just
you're
think
doing?
that people
You're already
gotta-
making excuses.
No, I'm not saying we ain't gonna go try to win. Obviously, that's the goal all the time, but
Well, yeah.
making the shows and being competitive is a win for where we're starting here.
Anyway, all that to say, I don't know. We ain't made our minds up, but we saw all the comments, and we agree that, you know, I don't know if we're gonna make a full. Jesse's only gonna run 604 next year, but he is going to run some 604 next year. We're not selling the 602 just yet. I had like 10 people reaching out wanting to buy the 602 from us. Like, hey, if y'all get rid of that 602, put me in line.
Best one GM ever made.
Anyway, we wouldn't be selling the 602. It would say we'd hold on to it just, you know, for when there's a big 602 race. Maybe I'll run 602. I don't know. There's an idea.
There's a thought.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That is watertight, boys.
I don't know about all that,
Drive
but
through a storm, it don't matter.
Hey, 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 hey. I don't know. That tailgate might not shut right there.
Oh, we slide it back.
Okay.
It's aluminum.
grab a
It
hook.
is aluminum in a minute.
Grab a hook. And this one ain't
And
gonna be
then
that-
look right here. Just plenty of room for that one.
This ain't gonna be that heavy either, 'cause it threw out some parts.
Yeah, it's missing some stuff. It's in Lake City.
All right, youngster.
Ain't looking no better.
They didn't fix it, so.
Still broke. Yep.
Like that.
I told you it wasn't gonna close. Yeah, put Jesse up there. He's the strong one of the bunch. Let's see you, Jesse.
Sad but true,
Bow up
John.
on it. Yeah.
Stop.
Hey, that's not good for a water pump.
Whoa.
Was it hitting this one?
No.
You were doing that.
Easy on it. Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere. We're thinking, talking about getting ready for next year and all. We're thinking about more white and a little less black. What do y'all think?
It's honestly like the opposite of this.
Right, yeah. Yeah,
It's
where
a
it'd be
flip.
yeah, where it'd be predominantly white with black on black. Something with more white in it. I'm getting tired. The more I video these race cars on track, the more I wish they were a brighter color. So y'all let us know what y'all think. There's y'all's well, the previous video's question of the day was about Jesse running 602 or 604. Today we're asking, should we do more white and less black in the race cars for 2022? What you sort of
2 noses for you this year? Wow.
2 noses and 13 races you destroyed, Jesse. What are we gonna do with you?
But I won 5 of them.
6 of them.
I don't think the nose bar is there, but we can fix that. Whoa! Yeah, we can fix the nose bar there. Just flatten out the bottom piece. Ain't nothing wrong. Look, hey, beat it back straight, put it back on, Jesse. You just patch that up a little bit more. Another Band-Aid on it. I'm gonna do a count. We're gonna do an inventory assessment here on noses.
Both of these are for Jesse.
Okay, hold on. Let's just get this straight. These are Jesse noses here. All right, there's 1, 2.
By the way, there's 2 of them over there that are good use. Well, one's a good use spare.
Over here, I count 1, 2, 3 Joseph noses.
Okay. This one right here. This from Friday night at Southern.
Okay, it's probably the same as
Definitely salvageable.
right. Just yeah, straighten
We
it
just
out.
went ahead and got to grab the spare.
Right, we didn't. Yeah, you know,
This one right here
they're good spare.
is our spare. Been our spare.
Mm-hmm.
This one right here.
And that one ain't hurt. It'll go right back
And the
on.
one off the car.
Okay.
How many you come up with?
Well, there's 3 of his over here, but he says only one of them's burnt.
No, I ain't hurt. It has to be fixed like yours has to be.
But how many times have we pulled his nose off
Put a different every week.
and fixed it? Yeah.
Every week.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Jesse's been kinder to
We just don't take Jesse's off. He just.
Yeah, he just runs it bent.
Now what's
Yeah, we forgot one,
now
didn't
what's
we?
the count?
This one might be hurt.
Yeah.
That one's
Uh-huh.
yeah.
I guess bent way down. The whole bar is good.
The main thing.
Yeah. I don't know. A main thing going into next year is we need
But
at all.
this filler can go on one of those
One of
others.
them out here.
Right, that's what I'm
Maybe
saying.
mine.
This fender flare, it ain't no good, but the rest of it's good.
But what I'm saying is, out of all those noses we just inventoried, we can make 2 or 3 good spares. You know, because the way y'all go through these things, my goodness. Anyway, this Jesse 602. I don't, like I said earlier, I don't know. I feel like this is going to come out at some point, but we're not doing that yet. We're going to let it stay put. We got the 604 over there, and I do think eventually we're going to have another 604. Whether we fix, you know, piece together off of parts off the blown up one here or new one, whatever. Which they say a new one's hard to get right now. I don't know. Anybody got any updates on that? Can you get a 604 right now, new? Anyway, we will have another 604, and one of them will end up in Jesse's car at some point next year. I feel certain. They're gonna wash our dirt car list before we put those up for the winter, or for 2 months.
Listing any dirt cars for a little while.
Yeah, we're gonna be a couple months. We need to list some dirt cars. I don't know exactly what the plan is, but we'll be doing some Speed Week stuff in January. That'll probably be. We probably won't race until late January with some of the Speed Week stuff down south, central Florida. So that's what we're looking at, but that could change at a moment's notice. As of right now, these 2 cars are still operable, so you never know what might come up. What we will be doing this weekend, though, is watching the Gateway Dirt Nationals at the Dome, and you can be watching it too, live on Flow. Thanks to Flow for being the presenting sponsor of this video. Check them out. If you're not signed up, get signed up at flowracing.com/huntthefront. Thank y'all for watching the video and hanging out with us. Got a little bit done today, getting the engines out, get them sent off, and get them getting ready to get ready for next year, if you will. Y'all be sure to comment. Tell us what you think of the idea of more white for next season. Like and subscribe. Oh, hey. We hit 100,000 subscribers. I forgot all about that. Thank y'all also. I forgot about that. Thank y'all also for getting us to 100,000 subscribers. Super awesome, and we're so thankful to all of you who watch the videos and have subscribed to the channel. We'd never dreamed that we'd get to that point. So thank y'all for that. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you later.